Last-minute thesis editing. What is realistically possible if your deadline is close? Here's the truth, you can still make high-impact improvements, but you need to focus on what actually moves the needle. First, clarity and readability. You won't have time to rewrite everything, but you can fix confusing sentences, break down long paragraphs, and remove repetition. This alone can dramatically improve how your thesis is perceived. Second, structure and flow. Check that your chapters connect logically. Does your introduction clearly lead to your research questions? Do your conclusions directly answer them? Small adjustments here create a stronger overall impression. Third, citations and formatting. Fix missing references, inconsistent citation styles, and formatting errors. These are quick wins that examiners notice immediately. Fourth, grammar and academic tone. Even minor language corrections can make your work feel more professional and credible. Fifth, similarity risks. Review sections with heavy sources. Improve paraphrasing and ensure proper citation to avoid unnecessary flags. What's not realistic? Rewriting your entire thesis. Changing your research direction, rebuilding your methodology from scratch. Last-minute editing is about refinement, not reinvention. At Thesis-Edit.com, we specialize in fast, focused academic editing for tight deadlines, improving clarity, structure, and presentation without touching your core research. Because at this stage, you don't need perfection, you need a thesis that is clear, coherent, and submission-ready.